Hi boys and girls, welcome back to History Lane. Here we meet some of our history's heroes through using our creative hands. Today we meet Yisro, the father-in-law of Moshe. As we'll soon see, Yisro set an example for stretching beyond what's comfortable, which brings us to our activity today. Have you ever made a worm out of a tissue? If not, today's the day. We'll watch them grow, reminding us to grow beyond our comfort zones too. Here are the supplies we will need. 6 different colored markers, a plate, 3 tissues or more if you want to make more worms, a small cup of water, a pencil, and a dropper. Let's begin. Lay a tissue on a dry surface. Choose a couple of colors and draw a pattern of stripes across the length of the tissue. There's uncertainty about the exact years of Yisro's life, but we know that he lived sometime between 2300 to 2500 or 1461 to 1261 BCE on the secular calendar. Lay a pencil across the width of the tissue, then roll it so the tissue gets wrapped around the pencil. Bunch up the tissue tightly and move it toward the center of the pencil from both ends, then slide it off carefully. Repeat these steps with more tissues, drawing patterns with whichever colors you choose. Yisro originally served as high priest of Avodah Zarah, idolatry in Midian. After learning every type of idolatry in the world, he recognized the truth of the Torah and became a Jew. He journeyed to the desert where the Jewish people were located to undergo his conversion. According to some opinions, Yisro arrived in the desert before the Torah was given. According to this, his arrival served as a preparation for the giving of the Torah. How so? When the Torah was given, the limitations between physicality and spirituality were lifted, allowing people to fuse physical items with godliness. For example, physical tefillin straps now had intrinsic holiness. Yisro paved the way for this by reaching beyond his limitations. He could have converted in the comfort of his home. Instead, he journeyed a long way to the desert. Just as Yisro went beyond his comfort zone, we too can go the extra mile for Hashem. For example, we can say a bracha, a blessing on food, loud and clear, or bring in Shabbos a few minutes early. What is a mitzvah you already do that you can do in a more beautiful, extra way? Lay the colored tissue worms on a plate. Fill a dropper with water and release a few drops of water at a time onto each tissue worm. Watch how they lengthen and grow and how beautifully the colors in the tissues meld together. Here's the science behind it. Any absorbent material, such as a tissue, expands when it soaks up water. When you drip water onto the tissue, the color spreads and the worms expand, giving the impression that it is growing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you back again next week.